So we all consume a ton of life-changing content every single day. YouTube videos, podcasts, articles. But how much of it do you actually remember? Studies show that we forget 80% of what we learn in less than 24 hours. But I just found this new AI tool that can help you and your friends remember everything that you ever consume. And it uses science to make sure that the information actually sticks here where it matters most. So the tool is called Recall. It's an AI-powered knowledge base. It allows you to save content from anywhere on the web, YouTube videos, podcasts, PDFs, articles, even your own notes. And Recall automatically uses AI to organize all of it into your personal knowledge base where you can search it, chat with it, and it uses science-based methods to help you actually learn and remember the content you save. To get started, you can sign up at the link in the description down below. They're also sponsoring this video, so they gave me an exclusive discount code for you. Use code PaulJ25 to get 25% off the premium plan. I'll have all the details in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you'll land on this page. Today, I'm mostly going to be showing you how to use this on the web and with the Chrome extension that comes with it as well. But it also has a mobile app for both iOS and Android where you can share content directly with Recall. When you first sign into Recall, you're going to hit your knowledge base. Now, you're not going to have anything in here yet. I've already been using this a bunch, so you can see I already have a lot of content in here. And it's automatically organizing them for me into different categories. For instance, I have one right here for automation, another one right here for chatbots, even a section for my own videos. Now, adding anything into Recall is so easy because it comes with this Chrome extension. So anytime you're watching a video, for instance, let's go ahead and go over to one of my YouTube videos, like this one right here. I'll go ahead and open this up. And on the top right here, if I want to save this to my knowledge base, all I have to do is click on this. Here, it'll give me a summary of the video. I can come down here and chat with it and actually ask questions about the content that's in the video. But if I want to add it to my knowledge base, all I have to do is click on Save on the top left. You'll see right here, it automatically adds tags for you. So there's one right here called AI Tools. But if I wanted to add a different tag to this, I can click on Add Tag. Maybe for this one, I want to add the update tag. And now with that, it will automatically save it with both of these tags. So returning back to my knowledge base, let's go ahead and refresh it. We can see that that video now appears here inside AI Tools, and scrolling down to my update section, it is in here as well. From within this, you can see the same summary or chat with that content. This also works with podcasts. So here I'm inside Apple Podcasts, listening to this new AI Daily Brief episode. I really like it. I want to save it. All I have to do is click on the Chrome extension. It automatically summarized it. It automatically selected the best tag, which is updates. All I have to do is click on Save. And then, of course, it works with articles as well. Go ahead and click on it. And again, click on Save. And that has now been added to my knowledge base as well. So now this information is in my knowledge base. It's summarized, it's tagged, it's connected to everything else I've ever saved. So now Recall is going to make sure that I remember and learn this information with Quiz 2.0. When you save content to Recall, you not only get the summary and the ability to chat with it, but you can also be quizzed on the information inside that content. I'll go ahead and generate some questions right now. For this one, I just want 5 questions, and I want them to be multiple choice and true and false, and maybe some matching as well. I'll have a mixed difficulty level, and I'll make sure that it includes explanations as to why answers are correct. And then I also want to schedule for review. I'm going to go over that in 1 second because that's where the real magic happens. But for now, let's just look at these 5 questions. Great, so now our 5 questions are ready. Let's go ahead and start the quiz. All right, so the first question is a true or false. We see that this one is easy, so hopefully I get this right. I'll choose false, and it says that is correct, and it tells me why it was correct. Let's try the next one. This is a multiple choice question. I know the answer is B, but let's see what happens if I choose the wrong one. We'll go ahead and choose C. Here it tells me that is incorrect, and it tells me why. Another multiple choice, this one is medium difficulty. I'll choose option B. That one is correct. And this is one of those matching ones. So I have to match up the term on the left with the explanation on the right. This is a little bit difficult. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Choose that. Let's go like with this and like this. And oh, yep, got it right. Great. It should just be one more question. This is also a hard one. And for this one, I'll choose this. I got it wrong. And again, it tells me why. All right, so I got 3 out of the 5 correct, about 60%. Not bad, but not great either. But that's okay, because now when I click on done, it's going to start doing something called spaced repetition. If I come over here on the left to review, in here I can see all my activity for all the quizzes that I've taken. In this account, I've only done one quiz, the one we just did together, so you can see that right here. And so far I'm on a 1-day streak. But the real magic happens up here with spaced repetition. After you save something, you get your quiz, and it's able to see which answers you get right and wrong. Then a little time goes by and it quizzes you again. If you get the answers right, it waits even longer before it quizzes you the next time. And the more you keep getting it right, the more spaced out the quizzes become. But the more you get it wrong, the more those questions come back. Your brain is literally being trained to hold on to that information. For instance, here, when I come over to questions, I can see the quiz that I just took right here. If you take other quizzes, you'll see all of those appearing right here. Expanding this, we can see that the questions that I got wrong, it's going to quiz me on tomorrow. But the questions I got right, it's not going to quiz me on those again for another 3 days. That is spaced repetition. Because I got these ones wrong, it is going to put a shorter space between now and when it quizzes me on those again. But because I got these 3 right, it's going to wait a little longer before it quizzes me on those ones. And personally, one of the things I love about this is how they've gamified the entire system. Again, when you come into this review section and look at this, we can see your streak. It really encourages you to take these quizzes every single day. You want to get better. You want to keep learning it, not only for your own knowledge, but so you keep your streak up and you increase your stats. With just a few minutes a day, you can gently reinforce all the knowledge inside your Recall knowledge base. And what's really fun is that after you finish a quiz, you can actually share it with someone else to see how they score against you. So coming back to this quiz right here for this video, I can click right here where it says challenge. Let's go ahead and give this a name and then click the blue button. Then you get a link that you can share with anyone to challenge them on all the information in the quiz. So think about that. You watch a YouTube video about something interesting, you save it to Recall, and then you take a quiz. Then you challenge your friend to see if they actually understood the video as well as you did. That's a lot more fun than just sending someone a link that they will probably never watch. Like I said earlier, Recall is also available on mobile as well, and that includes Quiz 2.0. So instead of doom scrolling around on your phone and wasting time, you can spend 2 minutes quizzing yourself on stuff you actually care about. So there you have it. Recall with Quiz 2.0 is honestly one of the few AI tools I've seen that actually makes you smarter instead of more dependent. It takes all the content you're already consuming, organizes it for you, and then uses real science to make sure you actually retain it. If you want to try it out for yourself, click the link in the description down below to get started with Recall. And don't forget to use the code PaulJ25 to get 25% off premium. That code is valid until April 1st, 2026. Also, I've linked a challenge below. You can try out one of the Quiz 2.0 challenge quizzes. Go ahead and give it a shot and see what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.